Welcome back to another episode with Veggielife. Today I'm going to show you how to make Muskmelon Gulkand Shake at your home kitchen. Muskmelon is also known as kharbuja. This shake will not only keep you healthy but will also help you beat the heat and keep you hydrated through the summers. So to begin with, I have taken about 1 cup of diced muskmelon and added it to the blender along with about 10 cubes of ice. Next, we shall take 2 pods of cardamom, remove its outer skin and add it to the blender. For sweetening, I am adding about 2.5 spoons of sugar. You can go ahead and use brown sugar if you would like an healthy alternative. Next, I'll be adding about 200 ml of milk which has been in the room temperature. If not, you can also add coconut milk in case you want it a little tropical in taste. Now, all that we are left to do is to close the lid of the blender and blend it away to a smooth, thick and frothy shake. Next, here I have taken Gulkand sweet rose petal syrup, which is a preserve that is added in various drinks to help make them more tasty. Now you can go ahead and add a dollop or 2 of the Gulkand in your serving glass and pour in the delicious milkshake that you just blended. Now for the last but not the least, that is the presentation, I'm adding a little bit more of Gulkand on the top. You can go ahead and do some messy circles around and then top it up with some chopped cashews, raisins, and for the feast or the eyes, I have also gone ahead and added about a few dried rose petals. And finally here we will be topping up it with a pinch of the instant mix Thandai masala that we made in the earlier video. The link is in the bio. You can click it to know how to make the instant Thandai masala mix. I'm hoping that you like this recipe. Do try it and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggielife. Bye!